Look what MoeJoe and Glenda with Our Sweet Home Life woke up to this morning. We live in the deep south, the central part of Alabama, and it looks like winter wonderland. So I thought that I would show you something I meant to show you earlier. So come on inside and let me share something with you. But isn't this beautiful and a great view for us Southerners this morning? You can hear it draining off of the house. It's starting to melt. And look at that beautiful sky. So it won't be here much longer. It came in yesterday morning, and I thought really it would be melted by 9 or 10 o'clock because usually that's the way it is down here in the south. But look at it. It's the next morning and it's still here. But it won't be long. We got about 2.5, maybe 3 inches, I guess. But it's beautiful. Look at those tracks, y'all. Yesterday, MoeJoe and I saw a deer. But of course, by the time you get the camera, it's gone. So that's the tracks left from the deer there. Came all the way up to the front of the house, didn't it, MoeJoe?
Yeah, sure did. Cleaning off a little ice off the steps.
Well, I'm inside now, and I meant to share this with you before Christmas, but I didn't get around to it. Life was so busy and hectic, but I wanted to share it with you now because looking outside reminded me of Christmas, doesn't it you? Back in around Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving, myself and a group of ladies from church went to Orbis Hot Glass in Payne, Alabama, which is in the northern part of Alabama. And look what we made. We made a beautiful Christmas ornament. Mine is red and white out of blown glass. And I'm going to show you in this video how they made it. But we had a great time, and this video was not sponsored, but if you want something to do with a group of ladies or just a group, you may want to check them out if you're coming to North Alabama. So let's go check it out and see how they made this beautiful ornament.
Nice glow. A little harder, glow. Stop. Glow. Stop.
And this is my beautiful red and white Christmas ornament. Do you like it? If so, let me know in the comments. Give us a big like. We would appreciate it so much. This is some samples of the blown glass that they have in their showroom. Thank you for joining us and staying until the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great time going and making our Christmas ornaments. See you next time at Our Sweet Home Life. Bye.